maganda nga tingnan no na itong locals natin from both teams, they learned so much from the imports because not all the time nga meron tayong mga imports. So this is the best way to finally execute, what you've learned, what they've picked up from the imports.
Hey, check it out, Kim Fajardo winning that joust kontra kay Jaja Santiago. Kim has proven strong enough on more than one occasion to win aerial battles like that. Perez off the 1-2, but Liz Culacan says no, no, no.
Alam mo, if you've got a tall blocker and an import at that, maybe you should rethink about just tipping it over. Maybe you can tip over the ball in an angle so that the tall blockers would not be able to get your ball.
Perez the setup. Messing the windup, but Culacan with a good dig. Pagkakataon para sa Meralco. Oh, not over. Para kay Culacan.
Malayo yung bola from the net. It wasn't in the comfort zone of Liz Culacan, so she tried to do an easy over, but there was just no energy in that movement.
Oh, too long. Kitang-kita. Masyado malakas sa service. Katie Messing.
Yeah, yung floater niya talagang floated out of the court.
Mika Reyes to serve. Number 3 at the line, and 3 serving 1. And Mika Reyes with an ace.
Ang ganda ng serve niya. It was so controlled. She knew where that ball was gonna go, and it earned the point needed for their team.
Remote control serve from Mika Reyes.
Let's see if she targets Acevedo again. She does.
Jaja to Kayla. Fajardo keeps it alive. Reyes pumunta kay Alessi. Oh, finds a gapper.
And that time, ang lakas ng bola ni Alessi, yun nga, it went in between the blockers and the coverage wasn't prepared for that ball not to be blocked by Jaja and Kayla Williams.
Hey, how often do you say that? Reyes creates, Alessi detonates. Yeye back on the line para sa Meralco. Stalzer from the back row. And Fulton again on the board.
You know, yung key talaga kasi sa volleyball, never get your eyes off the ball. Kasi may mga moments na ganun, paano kung na-save ng kakampi mo, hindi ka nakatingin. So kailangan parati kang prepared when you're inside the court for moments like that.
2 serving 5. Fajardo back set. Cristina Alessi trying to go long, but too long.
Yeah, I think she was targeting the corner of zone 1, but like what you said, James, it was just powerful. Sobrang powerful. Lumabas sa court.
Combination play for Culacan. Read well and blocked up top by Fulton.
Si Jaja ang nakablock ng bola ni Culacan. So Culacan takes a breather. Demasilio takes her place.
Ganyan yung substitution pattern ngayon ni Coach Ramil De Jesus. Well, Sid has been very aggressive dito sa ating laro.
Oh, si Sid, di ba? Siya at si Kim Fajardo nag-champion sa beach volleyball.
Yes. And immediately, Kim goes to Sid, but denied by the defense.
Yes, ito yung coverage. Kailangan quick to go to the position behind those blockers for balls like that.
Easily, Fulton equalizes 5-all dito sa set number 2. How about that front line? You have Williams, Santiago, and Stalzer para sa Fulton. Oh, Baron detonates up top.
Ngayon, no, makikita natin sa sideline si Coach Villet is really calling the attention of the Photon Tornadoes because wala silang first ball.
Meralco looking to capitalize on that as Sid Demasilio with the service. Combination play for Stalzer again.
Nicely done there. Ang ganda kasi ng first ball. So Ivy Perez was able to come up with a combination play. And now, look at the first liners of Photon. You've got Araneta, Williams, and Stalzer, malakas to. So the blockers of Meralco have to be on their toes.
Santiago to serve. Kim had to chase after that. Alessi off speed. Pagkakataon para sa Photon. Stalzer attacks. Long. Dug up by... And Cruz again, this time off the block.
Ganda nung palo ni Cruz, no? The ball went in between the blockers and the net. Mahirap buhayin yung bolang ganun.
1 point lead para sa Meralco. Chance to grab the lead heading into the technical timeout. But commits an error si Cristina Alessi.
Yun yung mga sayang, yung mga puso ng coaches whenever the players commit a service error.
Baron. And Majoy Baron with a Baron bomb, giving Meralco the lead heading into the first technical timeout, 8-7. Pakibalita tayo kay Apple TV.
James and Chiki, a bright spot and something Coach Ramil is excited about is Sid Domicilio. Nakikita kasi nito na all out palagi sa game, whether they're winning or they're losing. Magaan daw yung galaw ng team pag nasa loob si Sid. Kumbaga mas comfortable yung team nila when she's around at maganda daw itong senyales para sa future ng Meralco. James?
Hey, ito si Sid Domicilio, if definitely is one of those silver linings. Also, the chance na matuto kina Ate Cha as Cruz puts that ball away. Meralco now up by 2. Cross-court shot by Messing is good.
Mahirap kunin kasi yung mga sharp and powerful hits from imports, especially kapag yung kamay mo nakapaside because you have no control. So you always have to square your shoulders towards the hitter.
Easy over, and that's Stalzer's service. Reyes over the defense.
Ang ganda ng plano doon ni Mika Reyes, which worked for Meralco. Ang ganda ng tip over niya. Very cool, calm and collected. Look at that. There goes the first ball. Here comes the set, and she tips it over. Nobody's there.
10 serving 8. That is too strong.
Yeah, kailangan super atras si Cha because ang lalakas ng mga bola niya.
Photon. Ayaw magpaiwan dito sa Meralco, down by just 1. Oh, Fajardo off the 1-2. A sneak attack from Kim.
Alam mo yung bola ni Fajardo, it wasn't really mabilis yung bagsak towards the side of Photon. Kaya lang, hindi prepared yung floor defense ng Photon. Kaya ang bagal pumunta sa bola ng players.
Perez to Jaja. Oh, Rochelle Sison with the save. Alessi winds it up. And that goes to the stands. Alessi scores.
That was a much-needed point for Meralco. Nakikita natin si Alessi talking sa court, communicating with her teammates. That's a good sign too.
Oh, Fajardo from the service line.
What a serve from Fajardo. Ang ganda naman ng ace na yon. Malakas, mabilis. And it fell in between the arms of Stalzer and Williams.
Perez set up for Jaja off the block. And Photon scores.
There was a net violation there by Alessi.
Just a 3-point ball game. Photon looking to eat into this 3-point disadvantage.
Good save there from Cha Cruz.
Jaja the tip, looking for an open area. Cha gives it back. Golden chance para sa Tornadoes. Sison, good save. Alessi, and puts the ball away.
Again, a miscommunication there with Stalzer and Messing this time. The ball went straightly in between them. A good angle. Again, itong si Alessi, angled talaga yung hits niya. Kaya ang hirap tansyahin kung saan babagsak ang bola.
She's strong and she's a lefty.
Yes.
And if she decides to take over, she has that ability.
Yes.
Perez, cross-court set up. Kayla Williams, kept alive by Kim. Sid will try. Acevedo cleans it up. Stalzer from the back row. Good save by Cha. Alessi gives it back. Another chance para sa Photon. Perez to Jaja. Sid, good ups. Alessi powers it up, and that's good.
May touch dun sa bola ni Alessi. So, Meralco gets that point. Nakita natin ngayon, no, si Alessi naman ang binababad ni Coach Ramil. Before, it was Cooler Can. Now it's Alessi. So, this is working for them so far.
5-point lead for Meralco. Mika Reyes to serve.
The service errors won't really help Meralco. Especially, they need to win the second set.
And you can sense at every point that Meralco puts on the board, their confidence goes up as well. With that confidence growing, the rhythm also. Baron gets the finish.
Yun yung gusto ko kay Baron eh. Very confident, pero hindi mo, kung takot man siya, you can't read it.
Up next, the RC Cola Air Force Raiders will be taking on the Phillips Gold Lady Slammers. Mapapanood niyo po yung live on sports5.ph at sa direct telecast ng alas 9 ng gabi sa Action TV. Maraming salamat po for joining us sa mga nanonood dito ngayon sa Phil Oil Flying V Arena. Mga nanonood sa inyong mga telebisyon ng TV5, maraming salamat on live streaming, mga team bahay. Welcome po sa aming Sports 5 coverage of your Philippine Super League Grand Prix 2015. Kayla Williams denied up top. They throw it down and stare him down. Majoy Baron with back-to-back hits.
Si Baron again, no? Ang ganda ng confidence level niya kaninang timeout. She was just really smiling, enjoying every moment of this game.
Meralco has Cruz, Alessi, and Baron up top. Chance for the Power Spikers to execute. Fajardo, back set. Alessi trying to go down the line, but too strong.
And that was smart for Acevedo not to get that ball because she knew that ball of Alessi's was going to go long.
Jaja Santiago to serve. Down by 5, dito sa set number 2. Alessi off the block. Good coverage by Jaja. Stalzer pounds it away.
Yung arm swing ni Stalzer, ang bilis. Kaya ang lakas nung palo niya. At saka yung trajectory talaga namang patusok.
Have mercy on that volleyball,
Yeah.
Lindsay Stalzer, as we hear from Apple David.
Yes, si Kayla Williams na nga mismo nagsabi na they're not playing their pace of game. Kailangan, they play the photon speed, yung mala tornado sa bilis, sabi namin Coach Villet. Pag aatake sila, dapat yung may diin, with force, with power, with conviction. Lalo na ang bilis na daw gumalaw sa defense, sa depensa itong Meralco. So yung gustong atake ni Coach Villet, yung katulad ng ginawa ni Stalzer, mabilis at malakas. James?
Alam mo kasi yung floor defense nga ng Meralco, talagang nag-pick up eh. Nakikita mo yung coverage, hinahabol nila yung bola, yung blocking nila is up. So ito, look at this replay. Stalzer goes up. Ang bilis ng kanyang arm swing. Ang ganda pumalo ni Stalzer.
That's why she is called a stunner.
There you go. Not only because she is stunningly beautiful.
That ball will never be the same. Alco catching a break after that service error. That sends Christina Alessi to the service line.
Good serve.
Araneta off the block.
Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Villete, kung papalo kayo, kung off-speed or hulog, dapat zone 6. Kasi yun yung Waterloo ng Meralco.
Kayla Williams at the service line. Sid. Kayla will set it up para kay Stalzer. Good backline defense from Demesilio. Alessi goes long. Kayla Williams with a great dig. Perez, just the right height for Messing, but ball doesn't fall. Baron goes long. Williams again defending that back line. And Meralco couldn't handle that one.
Nagulat doon ang floor defense ng Meralco, kaya that ball of Messing, which wasn't really strong, lumabas.
Fulton threatening to come close, down by just 3 now. Set number 2, Fajardo. And Kimmy will score.
Oh, ang ganda nung ginawa ni Fajardo. Kung maghuhulog man siya, which was really the plan that she had in mind, angled. Kasi nasa harap si Messing. Oh, quick point for them.
At bagay na meron ko smart attacking setter tulad ni Kim Fajardo.
That's right.
As Baron serves. Stalzer in the middle, but goes out of bounds.
The target there was really the sideline, but it was like 2 inches off it.
5 attacks, 2 blocks so far for Majoy Baron. The young prodigy from the De La Salle University Lady Spikers. Stalzer had to adjust. Huli ni Yeye. Mika Reyes with a finish.
And you know, kita mo the way they celebrate ang Meralco Power Spikers. Maganda tingnan. So if they can just keep that energy going in their side of the court, magandang ginagawa nila.
There's no hard ball from the other side. Wala silang play. Anong ginagawa natin? We're just standing right there. We're committing error. We're giving them the ball. Let's go, let's go.
Capitalize on defense. Come on.
Yeah,
Come on,
we have
defense,
a
guys.
So Coach Villet, no, medyo adamant siya saying na wala tayong ginagawa sa court. Wala nga namang gumagalaw. Because the tempo that they're playing is not the usual tempo of Photon. Medyo mabagal sila eh. Ang floor defense nila, ang daming bumabagsak na bola.
Take a look.
Yes.
That sequence of Mika Reyes, like what you said, that celebration, that energy, much needed.
And if you have spikers like that from Meralco, see, ito, kailangan gumagalaw. Gumagalaw ang Photon Tornadoes.
Meralco within 3 points of taking set number 2. Jump serve, short. Meralco again.
Yeah, there's a double called on Ivy Perez kasi ang baba nung first ball ni Acevedo. So Ivy Perez had to save it, tried to set it up. Kailang hindi, double siya.
Kaya si Pia General naman yung libero ngayon. Looking for a different look. Here's Stalzer. And that attack straight down.
Kailangan talaga pag si Stalzer nasa harap at binigay sa kanya yung bola, ready dapat ang blockers ng Meralco.
And the stunner on deck to serve. 16 serving 23.
Good serve.
Sid gives it back. Oh, but a violation.
There's a double called on Sid Demesilio.
Look at the Mika Reyes steadying everyone. Kasi paangat na sila eh. Ngayon, medyo nag-error slam. They have to adjust unless Photon catches fire. Perez goes back to Katie Messing. Cross-court attempt, too strong.
And so far, nakakailang puntos na ang Meralco because of the errors of Photon. So, yeah, dapat i-capitalize ng Meralco yan.
We're in set point. You're in set number 2. Pamatay sunog na timeout muna mula kay Coach Villet Ponce de Leon.
Dito ko yung bola. Para humiwala yung blocker. Your blocker is moving. Your blocking is that. So we have to separate them. Mag-i-release natin yung ano natin, sabi natin. Kaya naman eh, basta pag-iwalayin mo.
Okay, in that timeout, si Coach Villet was telling Ivy Perez na kailangan gumawa siya ng gameplay na maluloko niya yung blockers ng Meralco. So let's see how this is going to be executed, especially now that 1 point na lang and Meralco's going to get this second set.
Jack Cruz and the Power Spikers with a chance. Grab their first set and commits an error.
This time, kinontrol talaga ni Cha yung bola niya because previous to that, outside yung bola niya eh. Ngayon naman, nasobrahan yung pagka-control.
Jack Cruz with a smart save there, just letting it go out of bounds. And Meralco takes set number 2, 25-18. Could this be the start of something good for Jack Cruz and the rest of the Power Spikers who will bolt on? Like Lindsay Stalzer and Jaja Santiago fight back, we will find out when we come back for set number 3.